love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm back with another video, and this time it's a different thing. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm damn sure that you have liked the intro part of this video, and if you still don't, in terms of looks and design, the laptop looks really amazing, and it's not like flashy RGB lights on it. Rather, Dell have chosen the matte textures, and the way they designed the vents and speaker grills, honestly, it's quite unique looking laptop, especially with this color variant called Phantom Grey with Speckles, which simply is vanilla and choco chips. The good thing is that laptop can be opened with one hand, so the weight distribution is good, but yes, it's still 2.4 kgs in your backpack. Still being made out of plastic, however the laptop is very sturdy, so no issues with material quality. The laptop has one HDMI 2.1 Gen port and 2.0 USB Type A ports, as well 3.2 USB port. Along with that, one USB Type-C port. And single headphone jack along with RJ45. Talking about the display of this laptop comes with a resolution of 1080p, which is full HD, and it also has a refresh rate up to of 120 Hz. So in settings, you also get the option to bring it down to the 60 Hz, which is a normal refresh rate. But nowadays, even the 144 Hz and high refresh rates are very common in gaming laptop, at least at this price range. Well, I would say that the panel quality is just decent, because it's not like it has OLED or even IPS display, as it just has a VA panel with 250 nits of maximum brightness. But yes, I didn't have any problem using it, so watching Netflix or streaming movies would not be a concern, unless you really care about colors or you have used the Super AMOLED displays. Moreover, I have played 4K videos to test the display quality, and I would say that with 120 Hz turn on, the experience is pretty smooth like a butter. Further, the typing experience with the keyboard on this laptop is also pretty good, as it has full-fledged keyboard with numpad, so I had no issues typing with the keys on it. To give a gaming look on this laptop, they have provided reddish orange backlit keyboard, which looks pretty good, especially in the dark. which also can be controlled from the F5 key from the keyboard itself. In terms of performance, Dell G15 is geared up with amazing specs, as this is a Ryzen variant, so this is packed up with Ryzen 5600H, which is a 6 cores and 12 threads processor clocked up to at 4.2 GHz and 16 MB of cache. And for RAM, I have chosen the 16 GB of variant because RAM plays very crucial role while gaming, and it's a dual channel DDR4 memory of 3200 MHz. Which really help while gaming or streaming. As well, RAM can be expanded up to 32 gigs. Now here comes the beast part of this laptop, the RTX 3050. I'm telling you, the performance you get this in laptop is worth the money. Really, like every game on the market right now can be played smoothly on this laptop, and you also get the option for ray tracing, and the GPU has a max TDP of up to 90 watts. Unlike other laptops on the market which offer just 75 watts. But yes, as this is a RTX 3050 4GB DDR6 variant, so I would not recommend to play games with ray tracing on it unless you have the 6GB or 8GB variant, because I tried doing it in Spider-Man Miles Morales and it really affected the performance. However, adjusting some in-game settings will help. For faster loading speed, it has 512 gigs of M.2 Nvme SSD, which helps to boot up this laptop in just 3 seconds, and that's crazy. With the help of Game Shift technology, you can enable high performance mode on this laptop, which can be turned on by the F9 key from the keyboard.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,